Race to become India's first $1 trillion economy, Gujarat versus Maharashtra. The competition between Gujarat and Maharashtra to become India's first $1 trillion economy is a fierce and defining race. Both states are economic powerhouses with distinct strengths, strategies, and challenges. Each state's government and business community are pushing forward on different paths toward rapid growth, but they face numerous hurdles along the way. Maharashtra is India's richest state and the financial capital, while Gujarat is an industrial hub, known for its pro-business policies and strong focus on manufacturing. Understanding the key factors in this competition requires a look at each state's economic profile, growth strategies, advantages, and challenges. Maharashtra, the financial capital of India. Economic strengths. 1. Mumbai's global significance. Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, is the financial heart of India. The city hosts the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, the National Stock Exchange, NSE, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and the headquarters of numerous multinational corporations and Indian conglomerates. Mumbai alone contributes significantly to India's economy, with its financial, real estate, and services sectors acting as major growth engines. 2. Diverse economy. Maharashtra has a well-diversified economy. In addition to finance and real estate, it is a leader in sectors such as manufacturing, information technology, entertainment, and tourism. Pune is a major IT and automotive hub, while cities like Nashik and Aurangabad contribute through industries like agriculture, engineering, and manufacturing. Bollywood, centered in Mumbai, also plays a significant role in generating economic activity and attracting international interest. 3. To GDP and contribution to national economy. Maharashtra consistently accounts for around 15% of India's GDP, making it the largest contributor among Indian states. In 2022, Maharashtra's gross state domestic product, GSDP, was estimated to be over $400 billion, much higher than Gujarat's at the time. This economic leadership comes from Maharashtra's strong infrastructure, skilled workforce, and a large consumer base. 4. Foreign investment and multinational presence. Maharashtra continues to be one of the most attractive destinations for foreign direct investment, FDI, in India, especially in sectors like automobiles, electronics, and services. Global corporations have a long history of setting up operations in the state due to its developed financial ecosystem and access to global markets through Mumbai's ports. Challenges for Maharashtra. 1. Infrastructure strain. Mumbai's overcrowded infrastructure is a major challenge. Despite being the financial capital, the city faces severe limitations in terms of roads, public transportation, and housing. Rapid urbanization has led to high levels of congestion, and the growing population puts enormous pressure on available resources. The same challenge is felt in other cities like Pune, which is struggling to cope with rising urban migration due to its IT boom. 2. Bureaucratic hurdles. Maharashtra, despite its economic might, faces slower project execution due to bureaucratic delays. Policies, although progressive, often take time to implement, causing delays in infrastructure projects and industrial expansion. The state sometimes lacks the agility seen in Gujarat's governance. Point 3. Rural-urban disparity. Another challenge for Maharashtra is the growing disparity between urban and rural areas. While cities like Mumbai, Pune, and Nashik thrive, rural Maharashtra continues to face problems such as inadequate infrastructure, agricultural distress, and water scarcity. These imbalances can hinder long-term growth and social stability. 4. Political instability. Maharashtra has seen periods of political instability, with shifting alliances and frequent changes in leadership, which can affect the continuity of long-term economic policies and business confidence. Stability in governance is crucial for fostering consistent economic growth. Gujarat, the manufacturing and export hub. Economic strengths. 1. Manufacturing prowess. Gujarat is often referred to as the growth engine of India due to its strong emphasis on manufacturing and industrial development. The state leads in several key sectors, including chemicals, petrochemicals, textiles, pharmaceuticals, and automobiles. Companies like Reliance Industries, Adani Group, and Tata Motors have significant operations in Gujarat, and the state has developed as a hub for sectors like diamonds and steel. 2. Pro-business environment. Gujarat has earned a reputation as one of the most business-friendly states in India. The government of Gujarat has streamlined its bureaucracy, making it easier for businesses to set up and operate. Efficient land acquisition, favorable taxation policies, and rapid approvals for industrial projects attract investors from around the world. 3. Ports and logistics. Gujarat has an impressive coastline of over 1,600 kilometers and is home to some of India's busiest ports, including Mundra, Kandla, and Pipavav. These ports have driven Gujarat's growth as a major exporter of goods, particularly in manufacturing and chemicals. The state's strategic location provides an advantage in international trade, with well-connected shipping routes to Europe, Africa, and Southeast Asia. 4. Special Economic Zones. Gujarat's success in developing Special Economic Zones, SEZs, has also contributed significantly to its growth. The state's SEZs have attracted large multinational corporations and domestic firms by providing tax incentives, access to ports, and dedicated infrastructure. 5. Infrastructure and urban planning. Gujarat's infrastructure development, especially in cities like Ahmedabad, Vadodara, and Surat, has been notable for its rapid expansion and modernization. Gujarat's urban areas have planned for growth, making investments in smart city initiatives, public transportation, and road networks. This forward-looking approach provides a strong foundation for future economic expansion. Challenges for Gujarat. 1. Concentration in manufacturing. While Gujarat's focus on manufacturing has driven significant economic growth, this concentration also makes the state vulnerable to industry-specific downturns. For example, global shifts in demand for textiles, petrochemicals, or automobiles could negatively impact Gujarat's economy. The state has not diversified its economy as extensively as Maharashtra, with relatively lower contributions from IT, services, and finance. 2. Human capital development. Despite its industrial strengths, Gujarat lags behind in terms of education and healthcare infrastructure compared to Maharashtra. Enhancing human capital is essential for sustained economic growth, especially in sectors requiring a highly skilled workforce like IT and advanced manufacturing. The state needs to focus more on educational reforms and healthcare access. 3. Rural development. Similar to Maharashtra, Gujarat faces challenges with rural development. While urban areas are thriving, rural Gujarat remains underdeveloped in terms of infrastructure and services. Addressing rural poverty, improving agricultural productivity, and providing better access to healthcare and education in rural areas are essential for balanced growth. 4. Environmental concerns. Rapid industrialization has also brought environmental challenges for Gujarat. Pollution levels in industrial hubs like Surat and Vadodara are rising, and water scarcity is becoming a critical issue. Managing the environmental impact of industrial growth while ensuring sustainable development is a significant challenge for the state. Comparative analysis. Gujarat versus Maharashtra. 1. GDP and growth trajectory. Maharashtra currently leads in terms of GSDP, with a much larger and more diverse economy than Gujarat. However, Gujarat has a higher growth rate, particularly in its industrial sectors. The race to the $1 trillion mark will depend on whether Maharashtra can maintain its dominance in finance, IT, and services while addressing infrastructure bottlenecks, and whether Gujarat can continue its rapid industrial growth while diversifying its economy. 2. Economic diversification. Maharashtra's economy is more diversified, with strong contributions from finance, IT, real estate, and entertainment in addition to manufacturing. Gujarat, on the other hand, has concentrated heavily on manufacturing and exports, with less development in sectors like IT and services. Economic diversification will play a crucial role in sustaining long-term growth for both states. 3. Government policies. Gujarat's government is known for its efficiency and business-friendly environment, with quick project approvals and a focus on industrial development. Maharashtra has a more complex regulatory environment, which sometimes delays projects. However, Maharashtra's policies are evolving, especially with new initiatives in digital infrastructure and green energy, which could boost its growth prospects. 4. Challenges in rural development. Both states face significant challenges in addressing rural-urban disparities. Maharashtra's rural areas suffer from agricultural distress, while Gujarat's rural infrastructure and human capital development are relatively weak. Bridging this gap is essential for balanced, inclusive growth. Conclusion. The race between Gujarat and Maharashtra to become India's first $1 trillion economy is a symbol of India's growing economic clout and regional competition. Both states have distinct advantages: Maharashtra's financial and service sector dominance and Gujarat's manufacturing and export strength. However, the challenges are equally significant, from infrastructure constraints to environmental concerns and rural development. In the end, the state that can most effectively manage these challenges while capitalizing on its strengths will likely emerge as the victor in this race. For now, it remains an open contest, with both Maharashtra and Gujarat on track to achieve remarkable economic milestones in the coming decade. Here we end. Please like and subscribe.